It's an interesting phenomenon in our country, which amazes me. I mean, your child commits a mistake in school. Some of the mistakes are very dangerous to other students. And when they are expelled from school, you turn up in court and say, oh, I'm being discriminated against, my child is being discriminated against. You have seen recently how many court cases that we are dealing with as a result of that. So that's why we are really looking at the legislative environment and how it protects the decisions that we have to take as we go along. But as I said, this is not a matter on which we can make a conclusive decision as a ministry. We have to go to Parliament, and I believe our members of Parliament will debate the issue and also take submissions also from stakeholders and others before a decision is made. We will also abide by what finally Parliament decides to do. But we have this very, very strong view that we need to relook again at the way in which we manage and process discipline issues in our schools across the country. We have been assured by the IEBC that they will consider. They have not taken a decision, or they did not expressly tell us they will consider our proposals, but we have made a humble request to them and sensitized them on the need for us to keep the plan as it is right now. Because if we change it, we will disrupt our. That does not mean that we cannot change the plan and we cannot fall back on plan B. Plan B would be reorganizing the whole examination timetable as it were. I don't want to imagine it right now because I know it can be very disruptive and it will interfere with everything we are doing.